Ever feel like your applications are lost in a digital maze and desperately need a GPS? Today, we're unraveling the secrets of HashiCorp Consul, a powerful service mesh that's the ultimate mapmaker for your applications and helping them communicate efficiently and securely. So, what exactly is Consul? Simply put, it's a highly available, distributed system designed to connect, secure, and manage your services in modern, dynamic environments. Imagine a central hub for all your services, making their lives easier. One of Consul's core functions is service discovery. This means your applications can automatically find and connect to each other dynamically. No need for hard-coded IP addresses or manual configurations. Think of it as a service directory for your apps. Consul also provides health checks. It constantly monitors the health of your services, ensuring they're up and running. If a service fails, Consul automatically removes it from the available list, preventing cascading failures and keeping your system robust. It's like having a diligent doctor for your applications. Beyond service discovery and health checks, Consul offers a key value store for dynamic configuration. You can store settings, feature flags, or any other configuration data, allowing you to modify your application's behavior in real time without redeploying it. Imagine making instant updates. Furthermore, Consul simplifies networking complexities, especially in cloud-native environments. It provides secure service-as-a-service communication using TLS encryption and simplifies complex networking tasks. It makes securing the connections of your app simpler. In conclusion, Consul is a powerful tool for anyone managing distributed applications. It simplifies networking, promotes service discovery, and provides a secure and reliable way to keep your services running smoothly. If you're looking to supercharge your service management, give Consul a try.